F1. So guys, let us see one program on the nested classes. So let me go to my dev C++ and so to work with the, so here is hash include standard input output dot h. No, I'm not working with the C, so I'm working with the C++. So iostream, and let me use the predefined class name standard. So using namespace standard, and let me get a class. Let me create the class outer. So here is the body of the class, and body ends here. Let me create the public data members. So public access specifiers, and here this is the class inner the body of the class, semicolon, and here let me write the, let me mention here public data members. So, or you can go for private also if you have wish. So private, just I want to show demo private. So there are some private, or there might be some public, you can go for anything. So integer somewhat id integer id, and then let me create some methods. So wide get value integer I, and integer I, let me initialize this id to I. Are you following? Next let me show wide show value, and here let me call here cout insertion operator, and here let me mention here the id value is, and let me use here /n insertion operator, end the line, instead of ending line, let me show here id, and this is end. Okay guys, this is end of inner class, and this is end of outer class, So if you want to mention any other data members, so first of all let me show you by using this one in only inner reference, and then we'll go for creating the other variables and data members. So integer main, so here opening closing curly, and how can I able to access this object, how can I able to create the object of this class? So let me get the first reference. We need to take the help of scope relation operator. So here is scope outer class, and here is inner, and here is suppose object O, inner I. So I dot. So guys, I dot, first of all let me show this example, inner outer example, inner outer class example. So here guys, I dot get value, control S, I dot let me call here get value method. So here is get value method. Let me pass here dummy values 20, head is 20, control F9. It is declared, outer is has not been declared. So guys, control S, control F9. So class outer, yes. So where is missing semicolon? So return, so here is return 0, control S, control check, return 0. Class outer, public class. So here is public, where I made mistake. Oh, right. C is a keyword, right? So keywords are in lowercase. Now this should compile. So guys, here I need to mention the semicolon here, right? Control F9. Now this time I don't see any error. So guys, I can able to get the values. So here is next I want to show the values. I want to show the values. What is the values name? Show value. So call this method. So show value, opening closing curly. So fine, and let me hold my cursor for meanwhile. Get care of. Okay, and here is let me give the confirmation message, that is I'm from get value method called. Just for your information sake, I'm writing this message, and statement ends with a semicolon. We are having only 1 minute of time in our hand. Let me compile. Control F10. Yes guys, you can see here. So properties and control, let me increase the font 28. Guys, can you see here get value called and id is 20. So you can see here how I created the object. So generally we used to call the object in this fashion. Generally आपण काय करतो, आपण कसा ऑब्जेक्ट तयार करतो, outer. So outer O, right? This is for outer object, outer class object. But I want to access inner class. I want to create a reference of inner class. So how can I be able to call outer scope resolution operator, then inner, then reference name of inner class. Are you getting, guys? Are you following? Okay, so in this way you can able to create. Yes, so outer class मध्ये काय inner आहे. So I created the inner class reference by using scope resolution operator. So this is the syntax to create the object of inner class reference, and inner class reference dot get value and show value. Now what I want to do, I want to keep one method, void method 1, void in outer method, right? Outer method, and let me keep the message here. May our meeting end within a minute because we are having only less amount of time. See out insertion operator, and here outer method. So control C and control V. So okay guys, fine, slash n semicolon, control S, control F9. Now here is O, right? Let me call here O dot outer method, right? And here control S, control F9 and control F10. You can see the output, guys. Outer method called. Oh God, outer method is called, guys. So in this way you can able to do outer method. In this way you can able to do outer method, guys. Means outer class method also can be accessible. Outer class method also can be accessible. Here this is the outer class method. This body present in a outer class method. Okay, fine guys. So this is the example for outer class. So now we shall see after this. Let me add some variables. So here guys, we can add the variables integer, somewhat number, and that number also you can able to access. Number also you can able to access to the outside of the class. So here you can able to access. Fine.